Hi, to turn on and off stolen device protection on iPhone 16e, firstly, you need to open Settings and here find Face ID and Passcode tab. Now enter your passcode and then scroll a bit down to see Stolen Device Protection section. So mine is turned off right now because the switch is white, and to enable we need to toggle on the switch like that. Here we need to set required security delay away from familiar locations or always. So I'm gonna keep away from familiar locations, and if you decide to turn off this stolen device protection in not familiar location, then you will see this section that we need to enable security delay. It will last for 1 hour. You'll be able to use your phone during this delay, but turning off or restarting your iPhone will restart the delay. So if you would like to do this, then click here to start security delay or cancel this step and just keep this option turned on. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.